Hey, welcome to another product review from Medical Gear Outfitters. Today we're going to take a look at the Halo chest seals, and these are the Halo IFAK version, which are a little bit smaller, which I really like. The Halo's, the original ones, were like in a big package, kind of difficult to store in an IFAK, but these are the IFAK edition. These are the vented. We do offer non-vented as well, but these are the vented. I did a complete review of these on the Skinny Medic YouTube channel, but basically they have a little hole in the center that has 4 vent holes on either side. Air, blood comes up out of the center hole and then can go out through the channels that way. A little bit different design than the hyphens, which we did a review on before. But this is another option for you for chest seals for your trauma kit. Kind of compare them in size for your kit. You can see they're about maybe a little bit smaller than the regular hyphen chest seals. And then we open, and then the compact hyphens are a little bit smaller, so kind of in the middle between these here. So kind of middle grade. A lot of guys like these. A lot of guys run these. But I did a full review on the Skinny Medic channel if you want to look over there for that. But we do have these in stock. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in purchasing them. Once again, I appreciate all the support over at medicalgearoutfitters.com. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.